Welcome back to another video for HarborFinancialOnline.com. Today I'm going to be talking about the EIC table, known as the Earned Income Credit table. This table is important for you guys to understand how to read because it's going to show you what your credit's going to be and what you can qualify for. So let me get the video going here. This is the Earned Income Credit is one of the most common credits claimed by low income earners. It's very popular out there. It makes a huge difference on your refund, so that's why it's so important to cover this area in every way we can. The EIC table can be viewed on the IRS website and has the exact credit amounts for all income levels that can qualify. On the PowerPoint here, I'm going to give some examples of what your credit might be based on your family situation and your income amounts. If you have 0 children, your earned income is less than $13,460, and you're single, your credit's going to be $457. If you're filing married jointly, your income, 0 children, your income is below $18,470, your credit's going to be $457. Now let's say you have 1 child, your earned income, this is for a single filer, your earned income is less than $35,535, your credit's going to be $3,050. 1 child married filing jointly, less than $40,545, you'll get that same credit. So if you're married filing jointly, you get a little higher income level. Here's some more examples. So you can just get an idea of where you can fall, and then you can go back to that IRS website, look on the table and see exact, but this will give a pretty good idea of what your credit might be. If you have 2 children, earned income less than $40,363, filing single, your credit's going to be $5,036. Married filing jointly, less than $45,373, you get the same credit, $5,036. 3 or more children, earned income less than $43,352, filing single, your credit's $5,666. Same situation, married filing jointly, your income is less than $48,362, here's your credit, $5,666. Here's another example. If your adjusted gross income is $35,550, you are single, have 1 qualifying child, you can't claim the credit because your adjusted gross income is not less than the maximum requirement, $35,463. So even if you're $100 over, you get 0 of that credit. You're completely excluded. If you are eligible for the EIC credit, you must have a valid Social Security number. Your investment income must be less than $3,100, and you must be a U.S. citizen or resident for all of the year. If you and someone else have the same qualifying child, but the other person can't claim the EIC because he or she is not eligible, you may be able to treat the child as a qualifying child for yourself. So that's something to look into. Also, if you expect to qualify for the earned income credit, you may be able to receive part of it in each paycheck from your employer. So contact your Human Resources Department. You can take the literature you can get off the IRS website, go to your Human Resources, and they should be able to withhold this in your paycheck just to make it a little bit easier. This is not a refundable tax credit, so if your credit amount is higher than your tax bill, you can actually get the unused part of the credit as a payment from the government. So another thing to look into. The EIC is based on a percentage of your income, but is phased out as your income goes up. So if you're a high earner, you're not going to qualify for this. The EIC has recently increased, so you may want to see if you actually qualify. So I want to take you actually back to our site. This is HarborFinancialOnline.com, and we have pages that are just dedicated to the earned income credit. And right here you can see, if you want to read some more details on this page here at harborfinancialonline.com, it's going to go into some more of the amounts and the details of this credit. And through the page you can use the online free estimator, which you can put in these amounts and see how that credit's going to affect your refund. And you can prepare the return directly online here. I appreciate you watching the video. We have lots of videos on the earned income credit just because it's such a popular credit, and there's a lot of things to it as far as qualifying for the credit and the amounts you're going to get. So all you have to do is go to YouTube, search Harbor Financial online, put in their earned income credit, and it'll bring up several videos. And check out our site, harborfinancialonline.com. Thank you.